Hello, I'm Oscar Irigoyen, and today I'm going to show you a demonstration and how to enhance user experience of your SD-WAN by using WAN optimization, TCP compression, and deduplication. I have this topology. I use the same topology in a first video where I show the control capability of the system. You can see more details in this video. So basically I have a hub network and a spoke network. The hub is emulating a data center, a headquarters, and the spoke a branch office. I have this overlay of internet, and on the spoke side, on the branch side, I have a 3G connection. The H boxes are automatically configured. When you connect them to the internet, they get all their configurations, IPs, tunnel and security parameters, and BGP instances. What I'm going to do today is to transfer a file from my spoke network, from my branch, to my data center. First time I'm going to send the file, I'm going to have an amount of time for transfer. Second time, the file is going to be cached in this box, and the time of transfer will be completely different. So we are going to see an enhancement of our user experience when we transfer those files. Let me recall what are the elements of the configuration of my system. So essentially I have my two boxes, the hub and spoke, and several parameters that you need to configure. Is very easy, very simple to configure. See the other video to have more details. Same thing for the spoke, but let us go directly to the monitor system, where when you configure the network elements, you will have automatically the sites you provide. So they have a spoke. In this case I have 3.5 megabits per second of speed internet links for both sites. It's a point-to-point connection, and we have the internet and out of domain sites by default. We have a series of applications, from business applications on the top and voice over IP, for instance, to the VLC and mail collaborative applications. Today I'm going to focus only in back office applications, which are associated to FTP in my case. So I have my flows, several flows, and I don't have yet the FTP traffic because I'm not transferring right now the FTP flows. So let us start doing that directly from my PC. So the remote site can be reached from RDP. So this is my remote site, and I have the FileZilla server activated here. So, and I'm going to have a FileZilla client here in locally. So when I'm going to start to transfer my FileZilla, file using my FileZilla client, we will see that reflected on the remote site, obviously. So, and I have a graph over here, which is part of the Ipanema monitoring system. And I have the throughput over here of my FTP traffic. So let us start. I'm going to use this file, 54 megabytes. And let us transfer this file, so from my remote site to my local site. So this is the remote site. Let us start. And over here we have the time elapsed. So again, this is the remote site. We have the connection over here, and it will take some time. We will see also the throughput of this file coming in this graph. By now we have about 30 seconds elapsed, and we can see on the graph certain throughput up to 9 megabits per second. So the blue surface is the throughput linked to the LAN, and the yellow one is the WAN. So we already have certain level of TCP compression. So this spike means that we have certain TCP compression because we have more traffic on the LAN side and less on the WAN side. So certain virtual bandwidth is created here thanks to this TCP compression. So we are on the 1 minute and 50 seconds. Close to 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 seconds. So 2 minutes and 39 seconds. This is my first transfer. Same file is going to be transferred right now. You can overwrite it and let us see what happened. So 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4, 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds in the second transfer. So very impressive. So we had this deduplication capability that enhances the user experience of the transfer over the internet, which is my underlay, and using a tunnel, an IPsec that is constructing my underlay. You can see here in the graph that we have a spike of 40 megabits per second. A lot of virtual bandwidth. If I do the same thing again, we will see 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 5 seconds of transfer, and we will have another spike over here. Let us see here the flows, and so we have the FTP flows reported over here. So from the spoke to the hub, 10 over 10 application quality score. So over here we have the second spike. When you see what type of SD-WAN you need in your network, think twice. I mean, you need an SD-WAN that is capable of interconnecting all your sites, but at the same time you need some additional features of application intelligence that can help you to mitigate latency in your links and mitigate also duplicated data. So you have seen how the user experience has been boosted with this feature. So, and not all the SD-WAN solutions in the market have this unique capability. So I hope this video helped you to understand better what are another feature that you can get with the SD-WAN from InfoVista. Thank you very much.